Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today, our topic is force and pressure. And previous classes, I explained pull and push force and define what is force. And today, I describe the topic of force are due to an interaction. Second point is exploring forces, and third point is a force can change the state of motion. 3 points today I explain. First point is force are due to an interaction. When in previous classes or you study when pull or push force applied an object, that is force. Pull and push are applied on an object, that is force. So force are due to an interaction. When an object are applied a force, then object are moved forward direction, either that is push force. If pull force, then opposite direction means backward direction are moved, that is applied a force. Two types of force, pull and push force. Are you seen page number 129? A person stands some distance from a car and another picture 11.2 be in push a car in forward direction. When car is moved in forward direction, so applied that person will be push force. Again, two girls pushing to each other, that is push force. Again, next figure, then two girls are moving in roundwise direction. His hand is that types, means pulling force are applied each other. Both are pulling force are applied each other, that is pull force. So different types of force are interactive. Next, again, a person pull a cow through a rope, that is pull force. So that are the term is force applied on that object in such types of force are act, that is pulling force or pushing force. So force are due to an interaction. So are you interact, that types pull and push force. Such types of say to push force and such types you say to pull force. So next again topic is exploring of force. Exploring of force means heavy object, if you pushing or pulling, then move forward direction or backward direction. So I say to you that is force applied in his that direction, that change his motion in that direction. If applied the force in opposite direction, then object will be opposite direction move. So I say to you, applied the force depend on the object his motion. If that direction force is applied. So our object is also same direction motion, move forward direction. So that is the motion in force direction. If another thing is, if a person are moving, then an object are stopped. That is reverse direction. That is change his direction, opposes the force. That case in opposes the force and changes his direction. If same direction, if a person are running, then another person are pushing, then force in same direction. If you are you playing in ground, so some person are running, then another person is applied a force, then that person speed is fast in same direction. If a person in opposite direction, then another person in that direction, then opposes that force, so that person speed is slow down. That person speed is slow down because opposes the force. So that types of exploring force means the direction of forces, opposes the forces and same direction of forces. If applied the same direction of force, then force is increased, means motion is increases. If opposes the direction, that is motion is reduced. That is exploring the forces. Again point is, a force can change the state of motion. Are you seeing everywhere you and watch a hockey player to hit a ball? Before hitting the ball are in rest position, then applied a force, that is move in that direction. If a batsman batting on a ground, then you watching TV like cricket. In cricket, batsmen are hitting a ball, so move in different direction. A bowler are bowling in that direction, then batsmen are hitting that in opposite direction. So change his direction. And force will be different types and different magnitude. If kicking a football, a person kick a football, then move in that direction, another person will be opposite and push different direction, so change his direction. So change his direction of ball, football in playground. Are you everywhere watching of these things? So depend on magnitude. Such types of magnitude of that forces. If opposite forces magnitude is very low, so doesn't matter, some reduces the force and move in forward direction. If heavy object, that is magnitude is very high, then stop the low magnitude forces. Magnitude means numerical value. Means 1 Newton, 2 Newtons, 3 Newtons, 4 Newtons. Such types of magnitudes means more magnitudes means more force are applied. Less magnitude say less force are applied. If higher magnitude means force will be more and lower magnitude will be force will be low. That is depend on his magnitude. Okay, thank you.